Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Fidelity cash rates, where we will walk you through the step-by-step process of understanding and utilizing these rates to maximize your investment returns. First, let's start with the basics. Fidelity cash rates refer to the interest rates offered by Fidelity Investments on their cash and sweep accounts. These rates are subject to change and may vary based on market conditions and the type of account you hold. To get started, you will need to log in to your Fidelity account and navigate to the account summary page. Here, you will see the current cash rate being offered on your account. It is essential to review this rate regularly, as it may fluctuate over time. Next, let's discuss the different types of cash rates offered by Fidelity. The most common types include the core cash rate, which is the standard rate offered on most accounts, and the premium cash rate, which is offered on select accounts with higher balances. When evaluating Fidelity cash rates, it is crucial to consider the current market conditions and how they may impact the rates. For example, in a low interest rate environment, Fidelity cash rates may be lower, while in a high interest rate environment, they may be higher. To maximize your returns, it is recommended to keep a close eye on the cash rates and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. For instance, if the cash rate is high, you may want to consider keeping a larger portion of your portfolio in cash to take advantage of the higher interest rate. In addition to the cash rates, Fidelity also offers a range of other investment products and services, including brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and investment advice. By understanding the Fidelity cash rates and how they fit into your overall investment strategy, you can make more informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, Fidelity cash rates are an essential component of any investment strategy, and understanding how they work can help you maximize your returns. By following these steps and staying informed about the current cash rates, you can make the most of your investment portfolio and achieve long-term financial success.